My title of presentation will be the VAROGuide Game Changer for Aesthetic Dental Implant Treatment. Let's look at what is difference between this VAROGuide and other guide system. There are many differences of with guide or without guide. Guide system, in cases that we can do the flapless surgery, that has many advantages. Okay, I want to share a case which was done with the printed surgical template. It was referred from one of my colleagues who did the ortho, and the patient will need a number 11 central incisor implant placement. So every single step have errors. The more bigger problem is these errors can be accumulate, and at the end it became very exaggerated. So we have to very concerned about those errors and step by step. So this is expected errors from the 3 printed guide or the VAROGuide. The scan data, because we don't have scan for the VAROGuide, and then you don't have to worry about the metal artifact, and you don't have to worry about lack of tripodism, and you don't have to worry about position of tripodism, because all the landmarks we placed in the pre-guide tray. So these are the advantages of VAROGuide. You don't have to worry about the too much errors, because there are get rid of steps to create the fabricate the VAROGuide system.